This is your guided confidence rebuild. If it helps you lock back in, hit like so more athletes can find it. You've done the work. The hours, the grind, the parts nobody saw. But sometimes, the hardest thing to trust is that it's enough. This session is where you rebuild that trust. Not in hype, in proof. Your proof. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Find your breath. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. Let the noise drop. The expectations, the comparisons, all of it. Right now, it's just you and your breath. The same breath you had on day one. The same one that carried you here. You don't have to chase confidence. You create it by returning to what's true. Confidence isn't built in noise. It's built in repetition. In those early mornings, in the weight room, in the grind no one clapped for. That's your foundation. Every rep, every drill, every mistake, they're layered into you. You've built something solid. So when doubt shows up, you don't fight it. You remind it. Reminded of the hours. Reminded of the growth. Reminded of who's earned this moment. Confidence doesn't mean you always feel ready. It means you trust the work when you don't. So let's anchor that now. Inhale calm. Exhale control. Say in your mind, I trust the work. Again, I trust the work. This isn't arrogance. It's evidence. the proof you've already put in. Picture doubt as static, noise in the signal. It doesn't disappear by fighting it. It fades when you tune back to your frequency. That frequency is built on honesty, effort, and repetition. You've already done what needs to be done. Now breathe into that. Inhale strength. Exhale tension. The moment you stop questioning, you start trusting. Feel your breath settle again. Heart rate slowing, shoulders lighter. Mind clear. You're not waiting for confidence to show up. You've already built it. It lives in the work you've already done. When you step back in, wherever that is, you don't have to prove yourself. You just have to be yourself. I trust the work. I trust myself. That's enough. Subscribe to Mindfulete for meditations that help you reset, rebuild, and perform with confidence.